Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to take the E36 Compact out on the track, and like I said, still 102 horsepower, no upgrade. It is raining. That's also a good sign because that means less grip, and that is exactly what I need. So yeah, another thing I just want to address in this video as well, there may be actually some new rules to YouTube, which is called COPPA or something like that, that may, I don't know, but maybe my channel will be deleted soon. I don't know, because I don't know the kind of rules YouTube are putting up to on YouTube. I don't know, but if my channel gets deleted, that would seriously suck, because I love doing YouTube and making videos for you guys and getting the good feedback you always give me. So if you could follow me on Instagram and also maybe Facebook, and if my channel gets deleted, I can give you updates on what's going on. So I would much appreciate if you would follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well if my channel gets deleted. I don't know, but I really don't like the fact that YouTube may be shutting down several creators and channels. So yeah, no good. Let's now just enjoy some good drifting content. Okay, car is holding up pretty good. On that last run or last lap I had, I did actually knock down that barrel over there. And I thought like, okay, it should be a scratch mark right here, but it's not. It is here, you see? I got a dent in the car there. So I mean, why didn't I hit it there? I hit it right there. Yeah, I don't know. So I miscalculated a little bit and hit it a little bit harder than I thought I would. Anyways, a lot of fun. So fun to have like 106 horsepower, and this car is just rocking the track.
hear that?
Okay, we are done with the drift event for today. As you can see, we have tires stacked up in the rear. We didn't actually use any of them, so I could have not brought them at all. But yeah, really happy about today's events. Car works, and we are now ready to drive 1 hour home, and hopefully it will not break on the journey home again. So that's good. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and subscribe if you're not already, and like the video if you did like the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
Yes, I'm his friend.
Yes, I'm his friend. Yes, by the way, this was also really helpful today, because this one right here has been standing like normal drifts, like normal working temperature all day, but this has not. This has been going from like 80 and all the way to 100 degrees. So when it was at 100 degrees, I did like take a little short break so I would not overheat the car or anything. So yeah, really helpful with this new warm temp gauge. I like that.